Welcome to my videos on homeopathic treatment for ailments at low cost and without side effects. I propose to take up blepharitis, which is an inflammation of the margins of the eyelids with irritation. The symptoms include redness, a feeling of grit, swelling. Margins are covered with greasy soft scales which dry into crusts, making the eyelashes stick together. To begin with, hold a damp, warm, clean cloth against the eyelids for comfort. In order to prevent blepharitis, dandruff, if any, on the scalp of the patient must be treated. When the eyelids are swollen with red eruptions and the margins are covered with scales and crusts, Graphite 200, GRAPHITES, Graphitis 200 comes handy. In chronic cases, old cases, in simple language, when eyes are dull, sunken, red and itching, inflamed, when there are fissures at the edges, Antim Crude 200 is prescribed. If there is throbbing needle pain in the inflamed lids, when pus has formed or is about to form, Heparsulph 200, HEPAR, SULPH 200 is the remedy. If blepharitis comes with acne of the face, after consumption of heavy food, Pulsatilla 30 would help. There would be in such a patient a tendency to form styes on the eyelids. At times there is ulceration of the eyelids. It is called severe blepharitis. There is aching pain in the eyeballs. The medicine to be used is Merck Cor 30. Our eyes are among the most sophisticated of any part of the body. Our visual capabilities are varied. We can judge speed and distance well enough to catch a fast moving ball. Close up we can see an incredible level of detail. The eyes allow us to thread a needle or read a small print, detect a vast range of colors. The eyes act as a highly sophisticated biological video camera. Hence, take care of the eyes. Relax by keeping the eyes shut for a few minutes if your eyes are tired. Consciously tense the surrounding muscles and relax them repeatedly while the eyes are shut. Do not use your eyes in insufficient light and do not overuse them. Do not undertake minute tasks when there is not enough light. Buy homeopathic pills in a vial of 2 grams, fill size 20. Store them in a dry, cool place. The life of homeopathic remedies, if properly stored, is virtually infinite. The dose normally is 4 to 6 pills on the dry tongue. I wish you the best of luck and the best of 2014.